Every man, every Rijal is a male. But not every male is a man, and there's a very big difference between the two. You see, most of us, we like to think we're men, Rijal. Speak to anyone and tell him, brother, are you a man or a male? And instantly you will see a reaction in him. Almost as if, brother, are you questioning my abilities? Are you questioning my honor and my dignity? You see, being a male, my brothers, doesn't make you special. Because you were born that way. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made you male. And in fact, even that, yesterday, you didn't even have to be born a male. You could go and get a surgery and become a male. Today, you don't even need the surgery. Today, you just have to think. You just have to feel that you're a male. And legally, the law will accept you and protect you and give you the rights as a male, regardless of what you are, based on a thought, based on a feeling. So being male doesn't make you special, but to be a man, to be a Rijal, there's no surgery for that, my brothers.